Hello, this is an example video of what I supply a customer when creating them a WordPress website. It goes through clearly the instructions of how to edit the front end of their website and save to the live project. I hope you enjoy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gain access to your WordPress backend and go in and edit the pages. So type in your website address followed by the URL /wp-admin. This is where you will log in. Insert your username and password and click on login. You have now entered your dashboard. This is where all your modules are that make up your website. So if you want to edit your page, we simply click on the pages module, and this will show all your pages that are on your website. So let's click on home. From the menu that appears, click on Edit with Elementor. Elementor is the name of the editor that we use. Once that's loaded, you'll see the front end of your website, and then on the left hand side you will see your Elementor interface. Now it's really easy to change text or pictures on your website. So let's change some text in the About Us section. If you want to edit any of your content, simply click on the item you wish to edit and it will open up within the Elementor settings. This is where you can change the type and change the text, change the images or the video. It's that easy. So I'm just going to change this title here to welcome. Okay, and once I'm happy with that, just down at the bottom here, click update. That basically saves your website and everything you've changed is now live. Now I'll show you how to preview that. See this little eye icon here next to update? Left click that. A second browser will open up with your live website. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can see the changes. I tend to work with both of these browsers open. Once you've made changes here within the Elementor editor, it will automatically update this page so you can quickly snap between the two while you work. So I'm just going to delete some text here. I'm just going to take this chunk away, just click delete and update. And you'll see on your live tab here, you'll see it automatically update if you give it a second. There you go, it's gone. Okay, if we go back, I'm going to undo that and click update. And also change this section here. Just going to delete this text and update once again. Same with images as well. If you want to change images or videos, click the pencil icon. And this is linking to a video on YouTube. If you have any videos on YouTube you want to change this out for, simply go to YouTube and copy the link and paste it in here. It's that simple. If you want to undo any of the edits that you have done on your website, simply hold down Ctrl and Z on the keyboard, and this will take you back a few steps. If you wish to go further, click the history icon on the bottom of the toolbar, and you can then undo certain edits within this page. If you want to go further back even still, click the revisions tab, and this will take you back a few days. To return back to the dashboard, ensure that you saved by clicking Update. Once the update is complete, navigate to the top hamburger icon on the Elementor panel, and from here at the bottom there's a blue button that says Exit to Dashboard. Click this. You have now returned to your dashboard. I'm now going to demonstrate how to edit your header and footer. Simply navigate over to wilsonrooftrust.co.uk and click on Visit Site. From here, you're on your page preview. you'll notice up here this black horizontal toolbar. If you hover over Edit with Elementor, you'll get two options, header and footer. So for now, we're just going to edit the header, so click the header. This has taken you into the editor for the header which I've created for you. From here, much like the front home page, you can click on each item to edit within the Elementor panel. Once you're happy with these changes, click Update to save and the preview icon to preview what it looks like on the live website. To return back to your dashboard, click on your URL logo on the top left of this horizontal toolbar and click Dashboard. You will return back to your dashboard with all your modules. That concludes part 1 of the tutorial on how to edit your front-end website. Thank you very much for watching this short demonstration. If you have any comments, please let me know below and like this video. That would be great. Thanks. Bye bye.